was just offered money to lie to you. Yep. These days, I get these requests pretty much daily, and I'm officially done. But before I can fully call it quits, I wanted to dive a little bit deeper and literally answer a couple questions that have been lingering in my head this entire time. One, how many people are they reaching out to? Two, who is actually saying yes to promoting them? And three, why are all the clients seemingly from Ukraine and Poland? That's weird. So I decided to go into the belly of the beast, my Fiverr inbox, and what I found wasn't just a few dishonest people. It was a full-blown scam operation, including fake ads, offshore middlemen, and the security risk that seriously baffled me. But let's have a deeper look into the evidence that I've gathered, because I literally printed the receipts. This one reads, how to simulate playing the game. Because yeah, they don't want an honest review. They want an actual scripted performance. They say, you'll be provided with a video file with the game. Please download it to your smartphone and play the video for simulation. AKA, it's all fake. And this script right here even coaches you on how you need to act to look believable or whatever. They say your voice should be shaking slightly from excitement. And they want you to say, oh my god, I'm shaking. Should I cash out now? Seriously, I think I may be perfect for this career, because if you don't know, I have really bad anxiety and I tend to shake, especially on my left hand. So maybe I'm a natural, and this is actually a blessing in disguise. But the other interesting thing I found is, if you look closely, they're always either from Ukraine or Poland. My theory, if you care about it at all, is these aren't actually the app owners. These are simply just middlemen, basically freelancers that were hired to hire other freelancers. Sounds pyramid schemey almost. But while this starts with a simple lie about a game, this is where I think it goes south. They ask for the last 4 digits of your card. They ask for your bank name and whether it's a Visa or a MasterCard. Or just take a photo and send it to them. Do I need to point out why this is problematic? I mean, they claim it's to prepare the game. Call me crazy. I think just giving out your financial details to anyone, let alone a client in a foreign country, is total madness. Am I alone in this? And of course, as part of my research for this video, I ended up reaching out to a couple of my fellow UGC creators on Fiverr, and the reactions were actually pretty split. Some immediately saw the false advertising red flags and ran away. As they should. Others, let's just say they were captivated by the money. And while we're on the topic of getting paid, I've always wondered how much they actually valued our morals at. So I tried asking them for their budget, okay? And of course it couldn't be that easy. They ended up asking me to give them a quote. So I quoted them $30,000. For a video. I guess I wanted to shut them up for once, and I wanted to actually see if they'd even consider it. Like, can I become a sellout? Maybe they could come back with a counteroffer of 10K, maybe 5K. Spoiler alert, they didn't. Worth a try, I guess. But can you actually guess what their actual budget was? For reference, I typically charge about $150 for a short form UGC video, but that's one where I don't have to break my moral code, So I thought that would be kind of an add-on, that I would be well compensated for my troubles, right? Wrong. Their budget was, drumroll please, $50. $50 fucking dollars. To lie to people? I don't think so. But then again, I guess they aren't looking for quality. They're just looking for someone cheap enough to say the lines, I guess. This is literally evident in the videos they send as inspiration or examples. Like you can see right here, the actor, quote unquote, in this case, didn't even try to pretend tapping the screen on cue. I guess I can't help but wonder how much money I would have made at this point, maybe just this year, if I took every one of these offers that has come my way. Would it even be worth it? I guess I'll never know. But bottom line, my friendly advice is do not take these jobs. And next time you see someone shaking with wow big wins in a casino type game or any other game, think twice. Think 3 times, because now you know the secret.